has been tinkering with ways to get more use out of smartphone for the better of the decade. The company's NexPhone lineup allows Android phones to power an laptop shelf and productivity. In its latest update, the NexPhone. This is an Android 16 smartphone that also boosts Linux and Windows 11 and can serve as a one and only computing device. The key is custom NexOS, which includes as an app inside the Android interface and freely launch on the go. Option to boot into ARM version of Windows 11, and Next Computer has designed a customizable tile-based UI with progressive web apps, brings back fond memories of Windows. You can freely connect the NexPhone to a monitor via USB Type-C to get a real working desktop experience with choice of Android mode, Linux, Debian, or Windows 11. The clever software, it runs an Qualcomm QCM6490 chipset. The same SoC found includes 12GB of RAM, 256GB storage, which can be expandable by microSD card slot. And you get a 6.6-inch IPS LCD Full HD resolution screen with 120Hz refresh rate provided by Gorilla Glass 3. It's IP69 rated against water and dust and has 1000 mAh battery with 18-watt wired charging and supports wireless charging as well. There's a 64 megapixel main IMX787 sensor on the back, a 13 megapixel ultra wide which is ISOCELL L6 with 10.5 megapixel selfie camera using Samsung J1 sensor. It's priced at $549. You can reserve it at $199 deposit. It is set to ship in Q3 2020.